The 2018 Dodge Charger. Inject some versatility, comfort, and sophistication into your muscle. The Charger is a powerful sedan that excites at every turn. Peace of mind comes standard with Charger's 5-star government front and side impact crash test rating. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, remote engine start, keyless entry, Bluetooth, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control, keyless start. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.